Husker Harvest Days in Nebraska, and we're excited that here at this show we get to launch our new flow straightener. So this is an addition to our current portfolio of flow straighteners. So this is our standard 10-inch design that most of our customers would be familiar with. These are space savers whenever you don't have a lot of upstream, downstream pipe run. And what this does is it cuts what diameters you need in about half. So instead of having a 10-to-2, you actually only need a 5-to-1. What we have here is a new design, and what this does is it allows you to have less intrusion into your pipe. You can cut a smaller hole and still achieve the higher line sizes. So for F saddles that are the oversized F saddles for our propeller meter, you can actually cut out a smaller hole, and this is our standard 8-inch. This is the new design 10-inch. The same hole cutout that you would use with our 8-inch is what you can now use with the 10-inch. And this provides our farmers with a solution when they have those larger irrigation lines, the 10-inch and the 12-inch, and allows them to not be as intrusive into the line at the same time that they're able to use the flow conditioner to decrease how much pipe run they need.